Don't worry, we're gonna get right into this video. So, publishing your game to itch.io. First, navigate there. Now, either register for an account or sign in, and that will take you to your dashboard. From here, you can either choose to modify a project you've already created or create a new one. In this example, we'll be creating a new project. We'll give it a title, for example, My Super Awesome Game, and we can give it basically any project URL. It can be literally anything. And now there's a lot of optional stuff you can fill out, like a tagline, classification, what kind of project it is, and a few more classifications that aren't super important. What is important is the kind of project. You have to select HTML for it to be played in browser. Now that we've got our project page started, let's get our Unity project ready to publish to itch. Here I've opened Unity and I'm going to navigate to the project Escape from Castle Vampire, which is an app I'm working on. While Unity loads, I'd like to just ask you guys, if you enjoy this, if this helps you, to drop a like and consider subscribing if this is the kind of content you like to see. Alright, now, first things first, go to File, Build Settings, and choose the platform WebGL. Now that we've chosen WebGL as our platform, we switch platforms. This transfers everything in the Unity project to be on WebGL. This takes a second as well. Skipping to the end, Escape from Castle Vampire is now a WebGL program. But we're not quite done yet. We still have to make sure that everything lines up. For example, these buttons aren't where they should be. So, choose your desired resolution. For example, 1080 by 1920. This is the standard, and it's what I would suggest. If you really want to be safe, try pressing play. For example, I did. There was a compiler error. It took me a minute to fix. Now, once everything looks right, feels right, and plays right, you're ready to open up build settings again and press that build button. It's going to ask you to choose a folder into which your build will go. It doesn't really matter where this goes or what you name it, just as long as you can find it later. Now it's as simple as hitting select folder and waiting for it to build. This can take an especially long time if you have extra plugins and apps inside of your program, which for me was the case. This is at 8 times speed and it's still taking quite a while. Now that your game's been built and is in a folder you definitely remember the name of, it's time to upload it to itch. We'll start by zipping the folder. Again, it doesn't really matter what it's named. And now, back on itch, on our Super Awesome Game page, we'll scroll down, select Browse Files, and find wherever we left our folder, and upload it. And from here, the last step is to select Play in Browser. After that, it's important to go down and set your width and height to the same resolution that you exported your project in back in Unity. There's still a bunch of settings left that you can toy with, but at this point you're ready to publish. Let's take a look at what the final product looks like. And there you have it. It looks like everything's in working order. By the way, you can change how your product page looks by hitting Edit Theme. You can change all kinds of colors, the foreground, the background, the text, the headings, everything. Here's how I did it. And that about wraps up the video. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a like and comment if I was able to help you out.